yourself, just scroll dey go, scroll. Una go see person video, una no go watch am. If una watch am, una no go like am. If una like am, una no go comment. Some of una, if una comment, una no go share. You see all of una, your help una view once.
So guys, let's go to the tutorial. How to make your own talking objects, maybe a tree, a wall, or anything. You can use anything to do it. All you need to do is to mount your camera and record any tree, any kind of object at all. Record it for some seconds, maybe 30 seconds or thereabouts. Then you record yourself saying something, anything that you want to say. I just said no worry yourself, scroll. For example, you can use it to say anything at all. Okay, make sure your face, your nose, your eyes, everything is showing clearly. Then you go to Capcut and import the video. Import the first video, the first object. Import the object first, whichever object that you recorded for some seconds, just import it first. Okay, so this is my own. I recorded an object for 19 seconds because that's the length of my video. All right, then you click on overlay, see overlay there, and import the other video, the one that you were saying something. Import it as an overlay. All right, so this is the video, the second video that I want to use my eyes and my mouth.
No worry yourself.
So what I said, I just want to increase the volume. All right, so this is what I said. So this is the second video that I said something. That one is also, I think, 16 seconds. So I'll have to cut the other one. I'll have to cut it so that both of them will be the same length. All right, just split and delete. So this is the video now, everything is equal. Then I'll click on that overlaid video and look for mask. I'll go and look for mask. This is mask here. I'll click on circle, then bring it down to my eyes, bring it to the size of my eyes. You use these layers here, size, you can see position, rotate, size, feather. So I will use size to resize it a little so that it will be the size of my eye. So that's what I'm trying to do, just to resize it to the size of my eye. Then I'll go to position and also position it well. Then go to feather, take it to 25, just a little. You drag it just a little. Okay, so this is it. This is how it is. I think I need a little adjustment here. So I'll go to position and take it up a little bit. Take it up, take it up. Yeah, okay, that's okay. I'll have to check it to make sure that it did not cover my eye. All right, so I will go and duplicate the overlaid video. Look for duplicate. Click on duplicate. Bring it down, bring it down. Then reduce the volume to 100, to 0. Reduce the volume to 0. We already have volume, so we don't need this one. Then you move it to the other side, to the other side of your eye. Then still go to mask. We look for mask. And when you are recording, make sure that your hand is not shaking. As I'm recording here, my hand was shaking, so it affected the object. You can see my eyes, sometimes it goes to the other side. So make sure your hand is not shaking. Okay, so I will look for mask and move it to the other eye. Move it to the other eye and then resize it. Resize it, resize it. Use these features to resize it very well, both size, position and feather. Remember our feather is 25, so we don't need to touch that one. So we bring it close to the other eye. Then you check the object. I had to check my own because my hand was shaking. Assuming you have a tripod stand, the tree will not shake, so you don't need to check. So for your nose or for your mouth, you duplicate again. You click on duplicate. Then bring it down also. Click on it, look for mask again. This time around it's going to your mouth. You are bringing the mask down to your mouth, okay? Then you do the same thing you did on your eyes. You just have to resize it. You resize it just the size of your mouth. Feather is already 25, you don't need to touch it. Then I have to check the tree to make sure that it did not cover my mouth. Okay, here it covered my mouth, so I have to position it well. Take it down a little bit. Okay, I think this is better. If you use a tripod stand, you will do better than this, alright? Because my hand was shaking, I just quickly recorded a tree somewhere. So this is what we have now, okay? Make sure that everything is equal. Then we'll go back and play the video and check what we have. Guys, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.
If una like and I no go comment, some of una if una comment and I no go share. You see all of una, your head una view once.
This is very easy as ABC. You don't need much work, you don't need to be a pro. Once you are done, you save your video, alright? Thanks for watching.